Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is not a tutorial, but I'll be showing you what I have done in the past week. I made a custom Indian bridal jewelry set using polymer clay. You might be aware that there are many ceremonies at Indian weddings. Although most prefer wearing gold on the wedding day, in ceremonies like Haldi they prefer wearing floral jewelry. One of my clients wanted floral clay jewelry, so I made something new. This is the choker necklace I made. I used repetitive elements and I joined all with some jump rings, connectors and chains. I used beads and pearls to make it festive and grand. I designed each repetitive piece to have flowers and leaves on an intricate base with gold details. Made matching earrings. It also has that main piece with a small jhumka hanging. For the base, I used this mandala texture sheet with the matching clay cutter which I ordered from Etsy. I added gold mica powder for detailing. I designed each repetitive piece to have a central flower surrounding small flowers and leaves. I made the jhumka with the same colors which I used in the main piece. I added the same yellow bead and pearl. Made a ring with the same main piece. I attached it to a ring base with Gorilla Superglue and resin. This is the hair accessory. Luckily, I had a star connector similar to the base, so I added it. These are the bangles. I did not use the same main pieces. I wanted to make something simple. I took a metal bangle base and added clay and all the main floral elements without leaves. I changed the design but I used the same colors. I think I need more perfection in making bangles. I was not able to make a tutorial because the design was my prototype and I did trial and error to make the complete set. This video is just to give you an idea of using polymer clay even in grand festive jewelry. I have taken an entire week to make this, but I like doing this. This is why I love using polymer clay, which is so versatile. I can make modern, minimal to extravagant traditional jewelry. Thank you for watching this video. In future videos, I definitely will show you how to make this kind of jewelry. Please do share your thoughts in the comments. Bye.